Hello everyone and welcome to a quick tutorial how to save your photo with the high pass filter. And to show you what I did and what you learn in this tutorial is I took this photo which is a bit blurry and the white balance is off, and I changed it into this. So you see it's way more sharpen in the highlights, and I changed the white balance so we get a good photo. It's not perfect, but you can save a lot of photos this way. So I show you now what I did. So first, let's open the photo new. We see it here, and we duplicate the background layer. You can either press right click, duplicate layer, or press Control J on your keyboard. Then go to filter, convert to smart filters, then filter other high pass filter. Now you get this weird grayish picture, and what we want to do is we want to make it that we just see a bit of the highlights, not too much. Yeah, this is basically perfect. We press OK and we're done. No, just kidding, but it's just one more step. So we press layer style and we go to hard light. And now you can see there is a small difference already. Just press high pass filter again and pump it a bit up. You can see in real life this is too much, but basically this is pretty good. Let's have a look at the before and after, and we see the highlights are sharper now. You can also see it here, very clear. Let me zoom in. Bam. It's way better than before. And now simply to adjust the white balance, I click on this small icon, ball icon here, go to photo filter, set it to cooling filter, and now I pump it up a bit, so bam. Now I have a photo that I can use instead of a photo that I can't use. You can especially see it on his teeth here. It's way better. I can show you another quick example how you can save, for example, blurry screenshots. I make a lot of screenshots in GTA, so I quickly show you one. Which one? Yeah, let's use the Joker here. So you can see it's slightly blurry. Again, duplicate the background layer, convert to smart filter, high pass filter. This is way too much for him. This is very good. As you can see, just the highlights, and then go to hard light. Maybe a bit more. Yeah, this looks good. And as you can see now, the picture is way sharper. Hope you like this quick tip. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. There will be more tutorials on Premiere Pro, on After Effects, and on Photoshop in the future. Also with a special surprise and a special combined Photoshop After Effects tutorial next week with some free goodies. So subscribe to the channel if you find this useful and if you want to learn more in the future. Thank you so much. Leave a like and a comment. See you next time. Bye bye.